Welcome back to Cruiser Motorcycles. Thank you for waiting for this video. Today, we have 2025 KTM 1390 Super Adventure S, the best new adventure motorcycles most big engines must buy. MSRP, $22,000. Engine, 1,390 cubic centimeters V-twin. Power, estimated around 160 horsepower. Torque, approx 140 Newton meters. Transmission, 6-speed, quickshifter-equipped. Seat height, 850 millimeters. Weight, estimated around 250 kilograms. Fuel capacity, 23 liters. 2025 KTM 1390 Super Adventure S features: semi-active suspension, advanced electronic aids, traction control, cruise control, cornering ABS, full-color TFT display, adaptive ride height, multi-mode traction control and throttle response. 2025 KTM 1390 Super Adventure S design and purpose. The KTM 1390 Super Adventure S is built for serious off-road and on-road adventurers. It is designed with long-distance touring in mind, but has a clear focus on delivering superb off-road performance, particularly for riders who love high speed and technical trails. 2025 KTM 1390 Super Adventure S technology. KTM integrates a robust suite of electronic features, including semi-active suspension technology, SAST, which adapts to the terrain automatically, ensuring a smooth ride on diverse surfaces. The cornering ABS and traction control system are also state-of-the-art, providing maximum safety and performance in tricky conditions. 2025 KTM 1390 Super Adventure S ride comfort. The adjustable seat height is a key feature, making it easier to modify the ride to suit a range of riders and conditions. The ergonomic design of the bike ensures comfort on long rides, and the advanced TFT display provides useful navigation and ride metrics.